Welcome to the heart of the American cattle industry, where millions of iconic longhorns are raised daily. The process begins in vast pastures, where the cattle roam freely while receiving optimal nutrition and care.
Strict health protocols ensure that every animal is monitored from birth to guarantee the highest quality standards.
Modern ranching combines traditional skills with advanced logistics to manage the movement of these massive herds efficiently.
Please subscribe to our channel now to see more fascinating industrial processes and deep dives into manufacturing.
Specialized transport vehicles are used to move the cattle to the processing facility, while maintaining strictly controlled.
Arriving at the massive processing factory, and the cattle enter a sterile environment designed for safety and efficiency. Low-stress handling techniques are used to ensure the animals remain calm as they enter the facility. Computerized systems track every individual animal, ensuring total traceability throughout the entire industrial meat production process tonight.
The primary processing stage utilizes advanced automation to handle the heavy lifting with surgical and mechanical precision. Precision robotics remove the hide in seconds, ensuring that both the leather and meat remain perfectly intact. Carcasses pass through steam pasteurization cabinets to effectively eliminate any potential surface bacteria before the chilling process.
Rapid chilling is essential to lock in freshness and prevent spoilage in the vast industrial cooling halls. Quality control officers verify that the meat has reached the target temperature before it moves to fabrication.
Automated splitting saws divide the carcass into primal cuts, with a speed and accuracy that humans cannot.
Skilled workers perform the final trimming and deboning tasks while working alongside the factory's high-tech robotics.
Laser technology portions the meat into uniform steaks for the retail market, ensuring consistency in every package.
Vacuum skin packaging removes oxygen to extend shelf life and maintain the natural, vibrant color of beef.
Labels are applied automatically at high speeds, including all required nutritional information and the unique tracking codes.
Every single package is scanned for foreign objects to ensure the absolute safety of the final consumer. Robotic arms stack the boxes with mathematical precision to maximize the stability during the upcoming global transport.
Driverless vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with laser precision to deliver pallets to the refrigerated loading bays.
Thousands of trucks depart weekly, delivering fresh and high-quality beef to retailers across the entire world.
Ongoing laboratory analysis is conducted to guarantee that every batch meets the strictest of international safety standards.
Sustainability is a core focus as the factory utilizes renewable energy to reduce its overall carbon footprint.
The final result of this complex process is a premium product enjoyed by gourmet enthusiasts across the pond.
From a humble ranch life to a global food solution, and the journey of the Longhorn is remarkable. Efficiency is maintained through the constant calibration of every machine to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted flow.
Trim meat is ground and blended to precise specifications for high-quality hamburger production in the facility.
Every night, a dedicated crew performs a deep clean to maintain the highest levels of hygiene imaginable.
Each animal's unique characteristics are recorded to maintain accurate herd data for the ranch's management team today.
The supply chain spans millions of acres of American soil, providing the raw materials for this industry.
Bulk storage solutions are tested for airtight seals to preserve the meat's quality during long-duration storage.
Modern grading uses AI vision to assess marbling and tenderness, ensuring the consumer gets the highest quality.
The massive power required to run this billion-dollar facility is managed by a centralized energy hub. Every pallet is scanned one last time to ensure the correct products are delivered to retailers worldwide. The incredible speed of the packaging line is a testament to the power of modern industrial automation. Great taste begins with a commitment to excellence at every stage of the racing and processing. The work continues 24 hours a day to provide the world with the nutrition it needs.
Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial cattle raising and meat processing.
Cattle enter the final feeding phase where their diet is adjusted to improve the meat's final quality.
Precision feeding ensures that every animal receives the exact nutrients needed for consistent and healthy growth patterns.
Maintaining secure boundaries is vital for the safety of the cattle and the surrounding community and environment.
Accurate weight tracking allows the ranch to monitor the progress of every herd with absolute digital precision.
Clean water is a primary requirement for raising healthy longhorns and is tested regularly for any.
Logistics experts coordinate the timing of transport to minimize the duration of the journey for the animals.
Unloading is a carefully managed process to ensure that animals transition safely from the ranch to factory.
Constant maintenance of the processing equipment prevents downtime and ensures the highest levels of safety and quality.
Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power provide much of the facility's daily operational energy needs.
The scale of the storage facility is staggering, reflecting the massive global demand for high-quality beef.
Manual skills are still essential in the factory to ensure that certain cuts are prepared with care.
Nitrogen flushing displaces oxygen, ensuring that the meat remains fresh and appetizing for a very long. High-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination. High-quality beef is a popular choice for gifts and celebrations, bringing joy to millions of people.
Verifying fat content ensures that the final product meets the strict nutritional and quality standards of brand.
Weight checks at every stage ensure that the process is efficient and the final consumer gets value. The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for meat. The work never stops in this high-tech facility, dedicated to the production of the world's favorite.
Beef products are a staple of American snack food culture, enjoyed at stadiums and events across country.
The journey of beef is a masterpiece of modern engineering and its ability to feed the world.
Preventive medicine is the cornerstone of herd health, protecting the animals and the entire food supply chain. Providing shelter from the elements is a priority to maintain the animals' health during the harsh winters.
Quality control starts at the intake dock, where every raw material is inspected for purity and safety.
Grinding machines process tons of beef hourly, maintaining a consistent texture for high-volume food service customers.
Fine-tuning the cooling environment ensures that every beef side is chilled to perfection without any damage.
Precision trimming increases the value of the steak cuts while reducing the manual labor required for processing.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best products reach retailers.
Pallets are wrapped tightly to ensure stability and safety during their long journey to the international market.
The journey to the consumer ends in a safe and secure arrival at the local grocery store.
Consumer demand for premium and ethical meat products continues to drive the innovation in the cattle industry.
Genetic research helps ranch managers select the best animals for breeding, improving the quality of the herds. Maintaining the facility's infrastructure is a continuous job that is vital for the safety of food.
Water purity is a top priority for the factory, ensuring that every part of the process.
Automated packing increases the speed and the overall efficiency of the production line, maintaining a higher output. Sustainability is not just a goal, but a reality in this modern and highly efficient food plant. Sharp blades are the secret to perfectly portioned beef and the high efficiency of the factory line.
Microbiological testing is the ultimate defense against foodborne illness and ensures the safety of the final product.
Scanning destination codes ensures that every pallet is correctly delivered to its designated market across the globe.
The work never stops in this high-tech facility dedicated to the production of high-quality beef. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial cattle processing and manufacturing today.
Data collected in the field is synchronized with the factory database for seamless information flow through the system.
Remote monitoring technology allows ranch managers to oversee vast areas with minimal physical presence from the team.
Quality control starts at the intake dock, ensuring that every raw material meets our strict safety standards. Thorough cleaning with high-pressure air is part of the daily sanitation routine in this mega facility. High-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination.
These products are a popular choice for high-quality meals, bringing joy to millions of people daily.
Maintaining the correct acidity is important for the flavor and the stability of the final meat product.
The factory uses green energy to reduce its carbon footprint and its overall environmental impact on world.
Temperature control is critical throughout the entire process, ensuring the meat has the perfect final quality tonight.
Heat sealing creates a perfect barrier against any bacteria, ensuring the product stays safe during the distribution.
Consumers are increasingly choosing this brand for its high quality and its guaranteed safety standards every day.
Regular calibration of sensors ensures that the factory utility systems are operating with absolute and total precision.
Sustainability is not just a goal, but a reality in this modern and highly efficient food plant.
From pure pasture to a global favorite, and the journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern engineering.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey inside the world's most advanced meat facility today.
The work continues 24 hours a day to satisfy the world's hunger for high-quality food.
The journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern engineering and its ability to feed the world.
Continuous monitoring of wastewater ensures the factory meets all of the environmental safety and the quality standards. Clear labeling provides consumers with all the information they need to make healthy and informed food choices. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial meat processing and manufacturing today.